Morning everyone. Well, whoever's watching this. All of my 10 subscribers on YouTube. In fact, even if 10% watch this, that's one at least. Here we are, building site, day 3, Wednesday. Started on Monday. Knocked down the conservatory that was there. The shed's gone. Part of that's down there. It's got the base of the shed to go. Took the windows out of the extension. Start taking the roof off. That will be coming down today. So here's the mess in the garden. Here it is. So that's going to look a lot different later on tonight. All that extension's going to go. Ready for the foundations for the new extension. Let's have a look down here. So as you can see, the roof is gone. There's a big skip there that's full. Let's have a look inside. Wow. I bet the cats have been up there last night. They would have been loving that. So there it is. This will all be gone today. Say goodbye.